Hello and welcome to another update video about Aave. On the Aave chart, we also have a potential 5-wave move up into the June high. Okay, I'm looking at this as a potential wave 1 and then an A wave down, an overshooting B wave, and the C wave down. It is at least one interpretation. You can also get away with easily counting that as a 3-wave move. So it could be here this wave 4. There are other scenarios that are possible, but at the moment it is mainly between the white count, which is a wave 1 to the upside, and then an A, B, C as a running flat structure, or maybe even expanded flat. So basically a sideways correction as per Elliott Wave. In this scenario, yeah, we have already completed a first wave, and the correction is of course a 3-wave move. So we might be in the last leg of the correction. And it's between this bullish case where price could then rally to $100 plus next, and a bearish scenario highlighted here in yellow where we topped in a 4th wave and could break down to new bear market lows. But there is one clear pivot point and decision point which decides between these two scenarios. Yeah, Elliott Wave gives us very objective levels. So I've got here the $54 level, 53.97 on my chart, and this is measured as Fibonacci retracement zone. It's basically this box here which I have on the chart. Support is between $54 and $66, and I've got this wave 1 obviously, and I've got the retracement zones based on that. We've got support at 65.80, 62.35, 58.90 and $54. A break below 54 will most likely lead to invalidation and will put the yellow wave count in control. But I've got a potential long setup here, and reward to risk is quite favorable. What you need to understand is that if you have an overshooting B wave, the C wave doesn't necessarily need to go below the low of the A wave. It is often much rather a Fibonacci extension relationship. So what we can do, we take the length of the A wave, go to the high of the B wave and measure the length of the C wave, and we have reached the 100% extension level that is at $69. And because that level has been reached, price can turn around at any point. I haven't got a very clear vision of what the subwave structure would be. It looks like the last wave down is at the moment only a 3-wave move. So it would need one more low to have 5 waves in wave C. However, it can bottom at any time and form a lasting low in this wave 2 because the Fibonacci extensions have been reached. It doesn't need to go any lower. The 100% extension is a certain level of interest that we always need to be watching in these flat structures. I would find it preferable to go down a little lower though. However, as soon as the 1-to-1 ratio has been reached, I mean, it can always form, a WXY structure where the last wave down is just a 3-wave move. And yeah, it is possible to just take off from here. It could be. I would primarily still look at lower, but bear in mind, this is a valid setup. I already started to accumulate here a little bit, but I will get out below $54 because this is a so-called 1-2 setup, and below the 78.6 Fib level, I typically do not trust these setups anyway. But yeah, this is sort of what I'm watching. At the moment, I cannot confirm to you that a low is in place, but I think we can make a case for it as soon as price breaks above this last swing high, which is at 75.60. A break above 75.60 would likely send it higher in a 3rd wave. What would be a target for the 3rd wave? Let's just measure that. I can take the length of the wave 1. I can really only measure it against the last swing low here. So that might change eventually. Oops, 1 second, just chose the wrong tool, I guess. That would change potentially if we make another low. But if I take the length of the wave 1, go to the low of the current wave 2, yeah, again, this might change. Then a key target for the 1.618 extension would actually be $116, okay? That's where we would like it to go. But of course, if it comes down a little lower, this target will come down as well. Either way, it should take it to over $100 if it works out. Okay, that's my update about Aave. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button. leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.